गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज हम आप लोगों को पढ़ाएंगे ए से जेड तक 2 वर्ड्स। ए फॉर एप्पल एंड ए फॉर एंट। बी फॉर बनाना एंड बी फॉर बी। सी फॉर corn and C for carrot. D for doll and D for dolphin. E for elephant and E for eye. F for fish and F for frog. G for goat and G for girl. H for horse and H for home. I for ice and I for ink. J for juice and J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. K for kite and K for kangaroo. L for lion and L for letter. M for mango and M for moon. N for nest and N for nature. O for orange and O for owl. P for parrot and P for peacock. Q for queen and Q for quail. R for rabbit and R for rainbow. S for sun and S for shoes. T for toy and T for और क्या एक वर्ड्स होता है बोलो तो बच्चों? T for telephone. U for umpire and U for umbrella. V for van and V for violin. W for watermelon and W for watch. X for Xmas and X for X-ray. Y for yacht and Y for yellow. Z for zebra and Z for zoo.